Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Amazon Web Services explained. So what is Amazon Web Services explained? Obviously it's from Amazon. So the second slide you can see I have divided in some few steps over here, like what is AWS, what are the services they are providing, how big it is, what are the future, and what are the pricing, why everyone's using it. So we will cover every single thing in this video. Hope you will stay like to the end, and I will try to explain every single thing accordingly. Let's get started. So first question is, what is AWS, Amazon Web Servers? So as you can see right down below, there are some bullet points over here, like the first one is global cloud platform, infrastructures, software platform, and last one is cloud storage platform. So the first option is global cloud platform. So this Amazon Web Service is a global cloud platform which allows users to host and manage services on the internet. This is the simple answer for the bullet point number one. The second is infrastructure. So it helps like infrastructure services, which means they are providing fair servers as a service, so you don't need to manage like the backup or the power supply of the service. They will provide the platform of the service, like Java, uh, PHP as a service also. Like as you can see right down below, software, they will provide platform to you as a service, and obviously cloud storage platform where you can like store all the data over there. So this is what AWS means. Next slide is what are the service they are providing, and as you can see like right down below, there are three bullet points: VPC, S3, EC2. So what is VPC? VPC is virtual private cloud. So what is virtual private cloud? VPC is like Amazon is not allowing you to control their cloud. So instead they are just giving you some parts of the cloud which you can like use for your private cloud, and lets you create networks in the cloud, then run your own servers on those networks. So this is what VPC. The second option is S3, which means simple storage service. So simple storage service gives you the opportunity to upload and share files. So does mostly a file storage and sharing services. And the third one is EC2. So what is it is EC2? Elastic Compute Cloud. So what is Elastic Compute Cloud? Is the service which gives you bare servers. So this service will give you machines which you can launch or you can run on your softwares. So, and also those machines also depend on the like how big and small they are on your requirements. So these are some services they are providing to you. Slide is how big it is. So as you can see, it has 15 regions all over the world. So yeah, it has global footprints. And what is global footprints? Like after every some similar distances, they have their availability zone, and obviously availability zone have does some data centers which are very huge for their businesses. So these are like a very huge business platform, and yes, they are very big in the whole world. So this is what it means, like all of these points are connected to each other. So the next slide is what is the future of Amazon Web Services. So there are three options which you can see, three bullet points. Sorry. The first one is 64 services. Yes, there are 64 services currently are using, and they are providing to their customers. Obviously, like getting 64 services without any hardware, without any machines, this is very huge thing to have in my opinion. And soon they are launching new services obviously, and they will create new services day by day. I hope they will work on it very soon. The third one is focusing on machine learning. Obviously they will like come to at that point that they are focusing on software as a service product where they want to take control of the services you want to utilize. So this is what the future is of Amazon Web Services for now. Next slide is what are the pricing. So they are charging like a per hour billing, obviously, like for almost everything. And the second option is region specific prices, sorry. So region specific prices means like every region have different prices based on their regions. And I think the cheapest specific or prices are at Oregon and Virginia. So these two are the regions where like the pricing are very cheapest. So the third one is specific prices. There are some specific prices for some services, like if you are going for the air like annually, so you might get some like less cheapest, like you get something discount in that, so like 20% to almost 60% for a 3 year term, like 1 year term, 2 year term. So it depends on you rather than going with the like monthly basis. So this is what are the pricing are all about. Last slide is why everyone's using it. So there are three bullet points, like easy to sign up, per hour billing, and simple billing. So obviously easy to sign up, you just need to go in, enter your details like email and password, and add your credit card. That's it. This is all you need to do. Not need to go ahead and do such a plan like that and that. No, like you can go just from 0 to 100 real quick. The second thing is per hour billing. So what is per hour billing? Like for every instant or every service has a micro billing. So this is like so be it like it instances on EC2 you get per hour billing rate, which is very transparent. And the last one is simple billing dashboard, which gives you report. You can pull out reports every month. You can monitor every single thing. This is what it calls. So simple billing is just simple is that you can get all the reports. What are you doing, what are you not doing, what services based on various parameters or for the cloud, etc, etc. So this is all that. And that's it. This is all, like, not all, in my opinion. There are a lot of things which I have missed, might have missed, but there are a lot of things I have also included in this. So Amazon Web Services are very popular nowadays, and I believe like everyone should use it if they have any purpose for it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing like what I have tried to explain. And if not, just go ahead and read every single thing and remind everything like what I have said. You will understand every single thing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Even though if you don't understand anything, comment down below, let us know what is wrong. And thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.